Okay, this fishing rod is usable. Okay guys, today I want to show you how to get fishing rod in Red Dead Redemption 2. There is a fisherman using fishing rod, but sometimes when it's dropped, we can take that fishing rod. So we will search what's wrong.
Now don't make any dumb moves.
Hey, wait. Let's talk about this.
Yes, let's talk about this.
Dale, I'm talking. Gonna get the law to make sure you pay for that.
Obviously, this fishing rod never. We can take this. Okay, the first is fail. This fail. We can take this. We see it is found there.
Easy, easy.
Let's we try using lasso.
Okay now.
Yes, see we can use this fishing
At least
rod.
you ain't dead yet. Jesus! Anyone! Help!
Yes, you see this. Okay, this fishing rod is usable. Good job. Let's we try using this fishing rod. Okay, perfect. And we use a bait. I think cheese is better. Hook. Okay, let's we see what we will get here.
You're done!
What? Oh, no, no,
Damn it,
no.
rats!
You better sleep, my friend. Okay, safe. Wait. I want hit you with this. For my thank you was.
Damn it all!
Wait.
You're on the floor.
Okay,
What the hell?
okay.
Should have moved.
You
Goddamn
move.
fool!
I give you gift. It is your life, boy. Okay, let's we try fishing again. That's really annoying. We fishing a crocodile. Hello, crocodile. I think there's too far. Where is the fish? I think there is no fish in here. Oh, yeah, that's got one. Okay, I hope bluegill. It is part of the mission. No, fine.
You'll do.
Well, we got a fish, bullhead fish. Okay, that's good. Okay, I think this is enough tutorial to get fishing rod in early game before we do the mission in Valentine. I hope this will help you. Thank you and goodbye.